Alright, so this is a video of me doing a fiberglass repair on dually fenders. They're gonna be going on a 79 Datsun 620. This is just my progress so far. Laid fiberglass on the other sides of these cracks. Got them filled in on this side pretty much as good as I can. Just need to go through and lay another layer of resin on the outside, then use Bondo to smooth them all out. Working on this one now too. That crack's kind of bad, but this is kind of just a video showing what I'm doing. Gonna be making another one here pretty soon about how to lay Bondo, prep it, get it all ready just for Bondo repair on pretty much anything. I'm probably gonna start uploading videos every weekend to every other weekend, just depending on my work schedule. Alright, thanks.